Do you know why we celebrate St. Patrick's Day? It's more than just a reason to wear green, parade through the streets, and revel in all things Irish. Today, we delve into the fascinating history and cultural significance of this globally recognized event. The story begins in the 5th century with a man named Maewyn Succat. Born in Roman Britain, he was kidnapped at 16 and brought to Ireland as a slave. During his 6 years of captivity, he found solace in his Christian faith. Upon escaping, he embarked on a journey to become a priest, adopting the name we all recognize today, St. Patrick. St. Patrick returned to Ireland, the land of his captivity, with a mission to convert the Irish to Christianity. Along his religious journey, he used a simple plant to illustrate his teachings, the shamrock. This three-leafed plant became a symbol for the Holy Trinity, and so the shamrock is forever linked with St. Patrick and the Irish faith. The 17th of March, the date of St. Patrick's death, became a religious feast day in his honor. It was a quiet, reverent day of prayer and reflection, far removed from the lively celebrations we know today. Over time, the religious observance of St. Patrick's Day remained strong, but a cultural celebration began to emerge as well. As the Irish diaspora spread across the globe, so did their traditions. In the 18th century, Irish soldiers serving in the English military marched through the streets of New York City on St. Patrick's Day to reconnect with their Irish roots. This march set the stage for the grand parades that are a staple of modern St. Patrick's Day celebrations. In the mid-19th century, the Great Famine in Ireland led to mass immigration to the United States. This influx of Irish immigrants further popularized St. Patrick's Day, transforming it into a celebration of Irish heritage and culture. Today, St. Patrick's Day is a global phenomenon. From Dublin to New York, from Sydney to Tokyo, people of all backgrounds don their green attire, decorate with shamrocks, and join in the festive parades. While it's a day of fun and revelry, it's also a day that honors the resilience of the Irish people and their rich cultural heritage. So what have we learned? St. Patrick's Day began as a religious observance in honor of a man who devoted his life to his faith. It's a day steeped in Irish culture, symbolized by the shamrock and characterized by the wearing of green. As it spread across the globe, it evolved into a celebration of Irish heritage and a testament to the enduring spirit of the Irish people. Remember, St. Patrick's Day is more than just a reason to wear green and enjoy a parade. It's a day to celebrate the rich history and cultural tapestry of Ireland. So the next time you don your green attire on the 17th of March, spare a thought for St. Patrick and the incredible journey that led to this globally recognized celebration.